Are you always feeling tired? Do you want to make a change, but find it hard to stay motivated? In this video, we'll be sharing 5 tips to help you stay motivated and on track with your fitness goals. Tip number 1. Finding your why. When it comes to staying motivated with fitness, finding your why is the most crucial step. Your why is the reason why you want to get fit and healthy. Is it to feel more confident? Is it to be energetic and happy always? Or stay fit and healthy to be able to serve your goals and your family better? Once you've identified your why, write it down and put it somewhere where you'll see it every day. Step number 2, make a plan and set realistic goals. Make sure your goals are realistic and achievable. Make sure you track your progress along the way so that you can see how far you have come. Step number 3, variation. Adding variety to life makes it more interesting. By trying new things, you can keep your workouts interesting and challenge your body in different ways. Step number 4, find support and accountability. Staying motivated is easier when you have support and accountability. So you may find a workout buddy, join a fitness community, or hire a personal trainer. Remember, accountability keeps you on track and motivated. Step number 5, celebrate milestones. Get ready to embrace your victories and celebrate your milestones. You have stayed committed to your healthy eating plan for a week. It's time to pat yourself on the back and revel in your success. So let's get ready. Follow these steps and win the game. Let's conquer this journey together. Stay healthy and motivated and crush your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends.